This is Brunnera Jack Frost, and it's been here in my garden now for about 4 or 5 years, and this is currently right now blooming like this. And you can see the little flowers, the tiny blue flowers are held way up over the plant, almost floating like they were part of this other plant next to it. But the Jack Frost has the white on the leaves with the green veins in there, and it tolerates some sun, but it likes shade. They are from Eastern Europe originally, and they're primarily grown for the striking leaves here with the veined. They are hardy in zones 3 through 8, hardy perennial in zones 3 through 8, but they like partial to full shade, and a lot, like most plants, they like a lot of organic matter in the soil. And they should be kept well watered when you first transplant them. When they're established, they don't need to be watered nearly as much. And you can give them a light fertilizer if you want, but I think the best fertilizer is a lot of organic matter in the soil. So that is my Brunnera right now on May 6th. And if you like this video, like looking at my garden, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.